Just a minute, we're having technical problems.
Triple for this?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to stop this.
He's a good dog. He's a good dog. Alright, so now we're just going to line up with this and then do the ramp. Correct?
That's correct.
Okay. Feel.
Okay,
Boy.
I'm sorry, give me a second.
Boy.
We are live, but for some reason... There we go. I don't know why, but it decided to start my video instead of me. So, now I can begin. Hello, hello, and welcome. Hello, and welcome to this video from me. My name is Holly, or Teacher Holly, from hollytreeenglish.com. And I want to begin by saying thank you for watching. This video is going to be about 2 possible truths that you can use to destroy or kill your grammar shame. And I want to invite you to share this video and like it if you think it will be useful. And I also want you to watch until the end if you can, because I have a question for you to put in the comments, and I would like to hear from you. So let's get started. So if you will remember, on Monday I posted a live video about grammar shame and how truth is the weapon that you can use to kill grammar shame. But grammar shame is funny because it doesn't like to stay dead. So you always have to be thinking of truths that you can use to kill it again when it tries to come back to life. And I want to give you 2 truths that will be very helpful. And the first truth that I want to give you comes from a proverb that the Irish people have. The Irish people are people from Ireland, or they have family who is from Ireland. And they have an old proverb that says, "Every beginning is weak." I will repeat that. Every beginning is weak. So what does that mean for you as English learners and learners of English grammar? Well, first, it means that if you are starting to learn English, just starting to learn English, or if you are starting to learn English again because you took a long break, then you have to remember this proverb that every beginning is weak. This means that every beginning will have times of frustration, fear, maybe even shame. It will have mistakes, all of these things. And you can think about it like little baby chickens, for example. I am using this example because we have recently had baby chickens in my house. And they had to stay in my house because they were weak. They lived in a box because they were weak. They could not walk very much. They could not fly. They could not keep themselves warm very well because they had very small, tiny feathers. All of these things. And they needed to learn a little bit how to use their natural abilities to find food and all of that. So they were little beginning chickens, and they were very weak. And now they live outside at another place, and they are fine. So this is an example of one beginning that is weak. Another thing is that when you begin to learn a new grammar point, or you begin to learn a grammar point that you haven't studied for some time, this is another beginning. This is a beginning that is weak. So be kind to yourself and remember that every beginning is weak, and if you do not give up, you will get stronger. And this connects with the other truth that I want to give you. This truth is that you are farther now. Farther means longer on the journey and better now than you were before. You have to try and remind yourself that you are stronger now in your English and your grammar than you were before. Let's think about some examples. I will give you an example from my language learning. I studied Arabic a little bit in college, and I had a big frustration, a very weak beginning with the grammar of plurals. And it was very difficult for me, and I was a little bit frustrated. But finally, it happened. And I understood a lot more things about how Arabic plurals worked. And so I took a break. I had a vacation from Arabic. I don't like to say vacation from Arabic because it was not I did not desire a rest, but things were happening in life that made it difficult to continue. So I took a break from Arabic and then I started again. And of course we came to the plurals. But I still had some of that knowledge from before. So I did not have as much frustration with the plurals because I was stronger. I knew that I was stronger than I was before. So I hope this makes sense. I hope this is understandable for you and that you can give examples in your life. So what I want to know, if anyone can please comment now or later, please comment and tell me, can you think of some beginnings that you are having right now with English or English grammar that are weak? And how? This is the second part of the question. So first, what beginnings are you having now that are weak? And the second part of the question is this truth? Is this knowledge that every beginning is weak? Is it helpful for you? Is it helpful for you when I tell you to be kind to yourself? And how can you connect this to your life? Because when I give you knowledge or I give you advice, it does not help you if you cannot connect it to your life. So I will just wait a second to see if we get some comments. I will see if do I have any tea left? No, I don't. That's okay. So one more time, the question is, what beginnings do you have in your life that are weak? And is this truth that every beginning is weak helpful? How is it helpful? Connecting it to your life. Okay. It looks like we have no comments for now. That's okay. You can comment later if you have some time to think, or you can comment on the replay. Again, I apologize for the technical problems and the late beginning. Today is a little bit strange. And I ask you please, again, to like this video and share it if you think this will be helpful for your friends. Thank you for watching.